Hi guys, welcome to the Building Universe. In this video, I'll be talking about one of the major problems we face in the Nigerian society today, which is building collapse. We agree with me that of recent, the issue of building collapse have been on the rise in Nigeria, especially in Lagos where we have weak soils and high-rise buildings. According to my research, there have been close to 170 reported cases of building collapse in Lagos between the year 2000 and 2021. And of course, 78% of those buildings are residential, 12% of them are commercial, and the rest were institutional buildings. This has left a lot of people homeless and a loss of about $3.5 billion worth of property. Cases of building collapse are not limited to fully constructed buildings. In fact, buildings under construction have been the more popular cases recently. For example, we have the famous case of the collapse of a 21-story building in Ikoyibuildingcollapse, Lagos last November, which claimed a lot of lives. So I'll be walking you through the causes, effects, and solutions that can reduce the rate of building collapse in the country. So sit back and let's get started. Now let's start with the causes of building collapse. Based on my research, media reports, and little experience, I want to summarize the causes of building collapse into three, which are corruption, professional faults, natural disasters. Now let's take them one by one. The typical construction project consists of three main bodies, which are the client, the professionals involved in the construction process, and the approving authority. Now, as the client, you want to build a 5-story residential building which will make onlookers marvel on site, but you don't want to hire a professional. You went ahead to hire the service of an unqualified staff so as to save cost. Oga, you go soon see wetin you dey find. Or you are the client that you've been in the real estate business for some time now. People now call you a business mogul or a conglomerate. Since you are feeling yourself and talking like you want to turn a 2-story building into 5 without seeking a professional builder's advice or a professional consultant, well, life doesn't work the way you think in your head. When you fail to go through the right channel for your building construction, you make yourself susceptible to fraudulent practices of those quacks. Also, illegal alteration, conversion, and addition of extra floors on your building or on your suspended floor will cause an additional load on the foundation, and in turn, the foundation might fail. And on the part of the approving authority, sometimes these drawings are not even read to detect possible errors and faults. Mind you, as the client, it is illegal to undergo a construction work without approval from the approving authorities. All these corrupt practices facilitate the occurrence of building collapse. Now to the professionals. Professional faults that can cause building collapse are defective design, use of substandard materials, lack of proper supervision, among others. Working drawings needs to be based on the site situation and feasibility studies. Sometimes the architect will draw a plan without even being on the site to understand what's going on, and it's becoming a problem for the builder when he's contributing his own quota of the work. Also, appropriate soil tests should be done to ensure a proper design details, especially in the foundation design. In the case of substandard materials, a bag of cement is used to make around 40 to 45 9-inch block. If not well supervised, local contractors will try to compromise quality and cut corners. Also, the reinforcement bars must be subjected to tensile strength test. We should note that substandard materials contribute largely to the rate of building collapse in Nigeria. Now, natural occurrences. Well, some cases cannot be helped. Heavy storms, flood, thunder, earthquakes can all cause building collapse. And other cases might include fire. Most materials used in building finishes are flammable. For example, glossy paints used in the paint work. When they catch fire, it spreads quickly to the reinforced concrete bars and weakens them, hence leading to the partial or total collapse of the building. Now, when we have these situations on ground, what can we do to reduce the rate of this problem in the country? The first thing we should make sure we do is that soil investigation and material tests should be made compulsory for all residential, majorly high-rise buildings, high-rise residential buildings, institutional buildings, and commercial buildings. Also, when you want to give out your building construction projects, make sure you are hiring the services of a professional builder and engaging related professionals in the construction process. Also, all plans and working drawings must comply with Nigeria's building code and local laws. Then, professionals should maintain their integrity and conduct. They should try not to cut corners at the expense of human lives. Finally, proper planning and supervision of building construction must be done by the professional on site to ensure that quality is not compromised. So I believe that from this video you've been able to understand the cause of building collapse and ways that can reduce the rate of this problem in our country. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment your opinions and subscribe on my YouTube channel.